Hi, Miss Francis here again, and we are formulating a body oil today. Who's excited? Who's ready? Let's go. But first, we have to talk about body oils. Like, what is in a body oil? Duh, oils. So now that we know it's oils in a body oil, what percentage are they in? What is the purpose for them? Body oils make up of carrier oils or base oils. Carrier oils come in two types to me, expensive and inexpensive. But what do we know about carrier oils beside that? They're also called vegetable oils, but not all of them are. Some of them are derived from nuts, kernels, and seeds. So they are not all vegetable. So that's a good fun fact to know. Then body oils also have a smell to them, which could come from essential oils or it could have come from a fragrance oil, depending on what you choose to use, right? Which will depend on the purpose and why you decide to make this body oil in the first place. So let's go on and ask ourselves those formulating questions, and I say it in every video, and I'm going to keep saying it. When you want to make a product, it have questions you just must ask. So in this case, we're making a body oil. Question number one should be something like, what is a body oil? Another question should be something like, what's the purpose of this body oil? Why am I making it? What is the purpose, or what is it going to be used for? Example, is it a massage oil? Do you want people to do massages with it? And if that's the case, my carrier oils or my base oils better have a little more slip to it. It must not be fast absorbing. Make sense? Because we're going to do a massage, right? Is it for the shower? Is it for the tub? Body oils could be used in so many different ways. Then in that case, you want it a little more fast absorbing. You want it a little more to lock in that moisture. You don't want the person to put it on after the shower, of course, on damp skin, and then the clothes greasy. You don't want that. You don't want them waiting around too long for it to soak in either. So you want that body oil to be a little more fast absorbing. So these are questions we literally have to ask ourselves. Then of course, what you want it to smell like. Do you just want it to have a nice smell so everybody can run and talk? Oh, that body oil smell good, which is also important. Or do you want it to have a bit of more beneficial side to it? Like for somebody who have psoriasis or eczema, or in those heavy winter times, or just excessively dry skin, then you pick a different essential oil, which will also give it a smell. Sometimes not the best of smells, but very beneficial. And if it soaks in quickly and absorbs quickly, then we wouldn't have to worry too much about the smell, just the benefit. So those are some questions that we'll need to write down. You'll need to have answers to in order to know where to start formulating this body oil, how to start formulating, what oils to pick. Key questions, right? All right. So now that you've had all that info and you write it down and you did your research, you even went back and watched my video on oils and carrier oils and essential oils, let's move on and formulate a body oil. Okay, so you guys just saw me formulate a body oil. I'm going to put up the formulation for that now. Right, so you would have seen me use a fragrance oil here. Now I did this for a friend of mine. She's always in the AC, so her skin will be a little more on the dry side, and she's now transitioning to body oils and she loves it. So I decided to make one for her with a scent of her choice. So that's why we use the fragrance. But most of our body oils, like for my brand, are essential oil based. Alright? Um, and if you want to try one of my body oils, because you just don't want to go make one or go through the hassle, there's a link below that you can check out my products. Or if you're local, you can go to Pennywise and Excellent stores. They carry it. So I just thought I'll give you that bit of information there. However, if you want to try the oil that I made in this video, all you have to do is share this video. So we're going to pick out the first 5 people that share this video, and we'll be happy to send you a sample of the body oil that was made in this video. So with all that said and done, that's the end of this video, and as I always say, happy formulating.